let's dive in and bring your images to life. Let me guide you on how to achieve this. All you have to do is to go to Chrome browser, or you go to your Google browser, all right, and type Digen AI, Digen, then AI. Select it here and select this first option. Remember, if you're using a smartphone, I would advise you to turn on this desktop site. As you can see, mine is on. All right, so as you can see, these are beautiful things that a lot of people created. Let me show you this. There is a lot of things that people created, and they look so beautiful and captivating and amazing. Now, if you want to create something similar to this, all you have to do is to tap on it. Once you tap on any of them, then you see the prompt is being displayed here. Let me zoom in so that you see it very well. The prompt is being displayed here. All you need to do is just to copy the prompt from here and recreate something similar to it. All right, so let's go ahead. Then the next thing to do is to select this create. When you select create, it will take you to this interface. All right, then now we have, let me zoom in so you see what I'm saying. Now we have video and we have image. All right, so the first thing we're going to try out now is image. Then we'll select this image option. All right, so this is where you select your style, any style you want. If you scroll up, you see different styles. All right, so these are the different styles. All right, see that you use an anime style or a Ghibli style or realistic styles and all of them. So let me choose this particular style. Okay, let me choose it. Then let's type in our prompt. Now this is what I typed. It asking mother and daughter sitting on the add other features. I don't want to add much thing here, so select generate. It won't even take much of your time. Your image will be ready. And one of the advantageous parts is that it generates up to 4 images at the same time. Then you can choose the one that resonates with your idea. All right, you can choose the one that suits you. Now this is it. Can you see? This is for photorealistic. This is mind-blowing. The quality of the image, the texture of the image, the smoothness of the image, like this looks so beautiful. Can you see that? Can you see that? This looks so real. Imagine that, imagine that, imagine that. I love this, I love this, I love this. Oh my, I love this. So it's now left for you to choose the one you want, the one that resonates with your idea. So let me choose. Okay, let me select the one I want. Let me download this one. So now, in order to download any of them, all you need to do is to tap on the image that you desire. When you tap on the image, that you desire, when you tap on it, you just scroll down like this and you will see download. That is where you download. Then another thing about this is that you can also use it and make a video immediately, but now you don't want to make a video with it. All right, so let's try out other styles. Now let's generate more images. Okay, and change the styles. So let's turn this to a pizza style. Okay, so let's change this. All right, so this is the same prompt, so let's turn it to pizza style. Remember, before using this, you have to change your aspect ratio. All right, change your aspect ratio. Now it gave me another image, but remember, I would advise you that whenever you want to generate your images, make sure that you add, if it's pizza, you write pizza. If it's photorealistic, you write photorealistic. I love these images, they look so stunning. Okay, can add photorealistic. All right. If it's anime name, you can use it. If it's Ghibli, you can use it. So right now I'm going to adjust. This my prompt. I'm going to adjust my prompt and write a pizza 3D animation of a dark-skinned mother and dark-skinned daughter sitting down. Now this is amazing. This is beautiful. Oh, I love this. I use the same prompt and I turn it to pizza 3D animation, and look at the result. Look, this is what it gave me. Don't you think this look beautiful? Oh my goodness, I love this. Oh, I love this. I love the outcome, the quality, and then all you have to do is to scroll down and download any of the image that you desire. Okay, you download any of the image that you desire. Alright, so this is it. I love this. This looks beautiful. And tap on it, scroll down on it, and download. So any of them. Okay. I love this pizza. It looks astonishing. So you can right away change it to a video. You can right away change it to a video. Let's try out another one. Let me put the prompt. So the image is loading. Now this is the image it gave me. Okay, so this is the mother and the daughter riding a bicycle. Right, so this is it. Don't you think this is good? All right, I love it. This is super beautiful. I love it. So this. I love this one. This one captured my heart. I love this one as well. This one they are actually present. As you can see, this is extra beautiful. What you need to do is to tap. All you need to do is to scroll down, select the one you want. When you select it, you scroll down and select download here. Okay. So before generating this is where you change the aspect ratio. Alright, we have different options here. You can select this 16:9 depending on what you're working with. If it's YouTube video, long videos, you can select this. Then if it's short, you select this. So let's select this 16:9 aspect ratio. Right, before then, let's look into our results. Okay, our previous results. So this is a previous result, and I love this in as much as the child wasn't here, but I love it. This is not good at all. I don't like that one. Then this one is beautiful. I love this. So let's download it. Now I've turned it to 16:9. Okay, so let's generate 16:9. These ones are 9:16. So let's generate 16:9. So it started from photorealistic to pizza. You can try out other features as well. Okay. Now the images are ready. So let's see them. This is not so bad. I know this one. This one. Alright. So this is it. You can generate any image of your choice here. Then it's time for us to go to video. Okay. If you are getting value already, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And remember, for this video, you can use a reference image. All right, you can use a reference image. So let's upload an image. Okay, let me choose an image that I want. Now, in order to go back, instead of you to go, in order to go back, all you need to do is to scroll up by this. When you scroll up, just tap here. It will take you backwards. All right. So now, like we said, let's turn to video. All right. So we are going to it's an option here. Here you upload your video. So let's upload our image. Sorry. So we have to wait for a little while which will be uploaded. So this is the image. So this is where you type in your prompt. All right. So that is it. So this is it. All right. So the next thing to do now is to select this option. It's either you upload the background music of your choice, or you select the one that they have for you. So let's listen to the one they have. Now I don't even know what they want to choose. So I don't know what they want to choose. Okay. So let's choose that guitar. That is okay. Let's check this out. Check self. Please tell me. Now, so if I go here. All right, let's select this one. If you select it, that's the one that will be displayed while your video. Okay, so we have two options here. Okay, so you see this place, they said create speaking, singing, translating speeches, and MTV style videos, cinematic quality up to 2 minutes long, bring authentic emotion to your video. So if you want your video to lip sync, this is where you do it. All right, this particular option. Then here is where you select your duration of video. See here is 10, and this 10 is a no for you. Why? Because it is paid. We are back. Now we are back. So the next thing to do is plan. So let's hit generate. Remember that they used to deduct 30 coins for each video generation. 30 coins. That's what they deduct. So right now our video is loading. I would urge you, if you want to try this out, try it early in the morning, because as you are once the day break, once the day breaks, a lot of people will be trying the same thing which you are trying. So we should make the video not to generate on time. I hope you understand. See, we have 567 tags ahead. Then it's the estimated duration we have to wait is 1 minute. So you have to wait. All right. Now our video is ready. So this is our video. So all you have to do is to download this here. This is where you download it. Then you still have other options like WhatsApp, on Facebook. Okay, so let us check our video. Tap on it. Tap on it. Can you see that? Can you see that? I love it. I love it. Now let's try out another one. Let's try out. So let's generate the video. So let's. As you can see, it is generating. Now our video is ready. So all you need to do is to download it here. Alright, so let's play it and alright, it's downloaded. Let's play it and see. I forgot that I used it seriously. You just took a single image and turned it into a animated video with sound, motion, and personality. That's the magic of Digen AI. Keep experimenting with different styles, voices, and music to build powerful visuals for your brand, stories, or client. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. More AI tools and creative walkthroughs are coming your way. If you want more tutorials like this, what do you want to animate next? Your feedback shapes what comes next on this channel, and I would like to know the next thing you would want me to create. See you in the next one. Bye.